Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnificalcreations YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to introduce the pattern you can see here. This is another bag we are making, but I want to show you how to introduce this pattern. Now here I have 8 ropes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ropes from 2 crowns. So the first thing you're going to do, we have this. You can see these two here. We are not using them now, they are here. We are going to pick the first rope here. You hold this. You can have something like 50 cl or 70 extra rope to use for this. You roll it over. We are going to do that twice. You roll it again. Then you pull to secure. You pull it down here. Then this one you push it to the back. Then we pick the next rope. You roll it over twice again. Like that. You pick the third one. You roll it twice again. You pick the fourth rope. You do the same thing. We do the same thing. If it's getting loose here, you try to pull it so that it will be firm. Then we are working on the last one now. You do it this way. You can see what we've done. So we have it all here to get this pattern. Then these two here, you're picking one. You bring it here. You roll it over, the same thing twice. 1, 2, 'Now moving to the last one. You can see what we have. Because we're having it 2, 2, 1, 2, then this one rope here, we're going to do the same thing. So we're on the last one. So you can see it. We are done. That is it. So if you want to get the pattern, it's a very nice one. You can use it for so many projects in macrame craft. So you can see it here.